Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can register yourself on NSDL SPEEDe app. Because for many reasons, if you are investing in Indian stock market, mutual fund, etc., you need to have this account if you want to participate in eVoting, etc., and many other things, right? So this is called National Security Depository Limited. Okay. So how it works using this NSDL SPEEDe app, that I'm going to show you, because it does involve some confidential information. So I'm showing you in the format of screenshots rather than directly making a live video. At the end, my request, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I'm doing it for you. So you have to go to your app store or Google Play, whatever device, Android or iOS you have. Search for NSDL SPEEDe app. You're going to get this. This is free app. No need to pay anything. Don't worry. Click on get or tap on get. Then you come to this. I mean, it takes some time. It's not a big app. 14 or 15 meg is the size. So within a few minutes or a few seconds also, depending upon your internet or data speed, it's going to install. It's pretty simple. Okay. Now it's going to give you introduction that what it can do, like it view holding of securities, okay, about your Demat account, latest balance, etc. All this information you will get there. Okay, so you can skip this section, there are more, or else you can read and understand what it is. For now I'm just skipping it because I don't want to go through all that. Okay, next is gonna come here, user ID and MPIN, or see there's one more, login using your password. Login button, new user registration. So when you come here for the very first time, definitely you're not registered. So tap on new user registration. It will select okay. It's first asking your name as per Demat account. Pull your full name. Okay. Now DP ID and client ID. How are you gonna get it? Many people have confusion in this. So that's what I'm gonna clarify. Okay. So what I'm gonna tell you here very like carefully. So let's say so this is something you're gonna get it from your provider. Okay, like some of you might be using ICICI Direct, Zerodha, HDFC Security, SBI app, whatever. Okay, so open the app or portal of the broker, because these are the brokers where you have opened your Demat account. Navigate to profile, account, Demat details. Look for Demat ID, BO ID or NSDL account number. Mostly it's under Demat ID. Okay, so if you see the Demat ID, it will have two parts, like it will have IN, then 6 digits, then hyphen another 8 digits. So you see in DP ID here, so as you see IN is already there, so 6 digits, and anything after hyphen last 8 will go for client ID. You're gonna submit, and if it matches, so, they will ask you to verify the OTP. So you have to use the email ID that is registered with your account, and they will send an OTP to you. That OTP you have to put back in, and then they will ask you to create your user ID and password. Now user ID, it has to be like 8 characters long, and password you can select. Of course there's criteria to select the password, and once you do that, they will also give you an optional setting to use MPIN, because when you log in, you can either using your mobile PIN or you can use your password. Okay, and once you do that, you can get into the system. This is how simple it is, guys. Important is the Demat ID, so that you can find it out from your broker account. That's it. Once you have, you can take the DP ID part, client ID part, register for it. So simple, no issue at all. This is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.